Hello and welcome back to Glam Tones. My name is Gigi and it's Friday, so I hope you're having a fabulous day. You know what else it is today? It is Rosa Parks' birthday. It's also Wear Red Day, so I think we are going to do it up red style. We're going to start though with gray. We're going to do... Wow, not even a minute in and I'm already messing up my words. We could redo that, but I'm not gonna. We're gonna do 2 nails in that really pretty gray color. And of course, everything's getting 2 coats today. And I'm gonna put a little bit of this red and a little of this red glitter. Look how it spreads, isn't that pretty? And I'm gonna mix it together because I love a glitter red. Nothing makes me happier than a glitter red. And we are going to just paint these 3 tips red, not the glitter red, just red. And of course, everything's getting 2 coats. So guys, I hope you're having a fabulous day and that you have something fun planned for the weekend. My weekend, not necessarily fun, but housework and just catching up with life. And I'm gonna leave it right there because sometimes you need to catch up, right? No matter what the reason is, sometimes you need to catch up. There is a hair there, you guys, right there. Had to get that out. My sweet, sweet boy Jake leaving his little black hairs all over the house. And that's one of the things I need to catch up on, vacuuming. So there you go. Now what we are going to make on this, because Rosa means rose, we are going to do some abstract roses. I do want to just familiarize you, if you do not know who Rosa Parks is and if you've been sleeping under a rock since 1955, she is a pioneering, amazing activist who decided one day, I'm not getting up off this bus and you're not going to make me. It was a planned event with a group that she worked with. And what an amazing way to say no. I love every second of what she did. I also want to, even though it's Rosa's birthday, let's go ahead and just, if you are not familiar with Claudette Colvin, Colvin, check her out as well. She did the same thing a few months earlier. Rosa did it in December and Claudette did it in March of the same year. And I think that Claudette may be where they got the idea to do the bus thing. And if I'm not mistaken, Claudette and Rosa knew each other. I don't know if they were actually friends or not. I don't like to classify other people's relationships. I'm not in it. So, but I'm pretty sure they knew each other. If you're not familiar with Claudette's story, the way I learned about her was through a show called Drunk History. If you've never watched it, may I recommend that you do, because it's so funny. Unless drunk people make you mad, in which case maybe don't watch it. So now, before we dry this, and guys, I did not say, but this is all done on a wet base coat. This is a wet base coat that I'm putting all the roses and flowers in before I cure it. That way it gets a chance to spread. And honestly, I'm not even putting it in the lamp now. I'm just setting it to the side and grabbing the other one and letting it sit and settle together while I do this nail. And then that way I can come back and look at it and see if there's anything I would like to fix or change, or if I still even like the way it looks, okay? I love this technique to do the roses because they're very abstract, they're very fun and very pretty and whimsical. And I just really thought it was a beautiful way to honor not only Wear Red, but the amazing Rosa Parks. So let me know, of course, if you agree with that assessment of the roses in the comment section below. As soon as I realized it was Rosa Parks Day and Wear Red Day, I knew it had to be a roses set. I like roses. They're one of my favorite flowers. In the top 3, honestly, there's probably 3 flowers that are sort of tied in my heart for my favorite because I can't pick between them. And that would be roses, daisies, and lilies in no particular order. I love them all. And if you give me all 3 of those in a beautiful bouquet, over the moon. I was actually just thinking yesterday how much I really miss all of the street corner flower vendors that they have in San Diego. I could be walking my dogs, and as long as I had a couple bucks tucked into my pants pocket, I could grab a tiny bouquet of flowers, and sometimes a big one if I had a couple extra bucks, right? And they were not super expensive. They were super beautiful. And if I went to the right ones, I'm a regular. They love me. They make me a big bouquet for $5, and I'm like, oh, I love you so much. And I love having fresh flowers in the house. I like gardening, and I miss it. I miss being able to just walk to the corner and grab a bouquet of flowers and have some beautiful, amazing nature inside my home. I miss it. I just really do. I miss San Diego so much. I just cannot manage living in California anymore. And that does make me sad. What I'm doing right here is adding a little bit of glitter to a few of the petals, not all of them. Just a little here and a little there to give it a little shine. And again, we have not done any curing yet. Okay, it's all still wet. Now I'm going to check the other one and do the same. We're just adding this here and there, a little here, a little there. And if I see anything that I want to add the regular to, it's sitting right there. You just pick it up and grab it. But I just wanted a little tiny bits of shine in there, just for funs. Just for funs. We're going to use that glitter somewhere else as well, though. And I think now we're ready to cure it. Okay, with some more of that glitter gel, we're just going to swoosh it up on here. We're going to do some wavy lines on all three of the red nails. And I did the glitter red on top of the red because I just wanted a very subtle, beautiful, classy evening gown sort of a vibe to it, right? Just something you would wear to a really beautiful and special event. And that's why I kept it super subtle. And I think it's a very pretty effect. I think I pulled it off, guys. You'll have to let me know if you disagree in the comment section, because I love interacting with you guys in the comment section. And of course, I mean, if we're being for real here, it also really helps the algorithm if you leave a comment. So leave me a comment, please. Even if it's a hate comment, hate me in the comment section below, please. You know what? You can't please everyone. You try, but you can't. And some people aren't going to like you. So what I'm doing here is in that same red, on one end, I'm adding a tiniest bit of black. And then on the other end, we're going to add the tiniest bit of white. And that way we have some colors to just add a little bit of dimension to our little abstract roses. Guys, I'm still learning how to be an artist, so everything's not perfect, but you know, I love these roses. Especially this one with the 3 roses. I think this one's the most effective, but the other one, that one's got my heart a little bit as well. So it's a little more messy, I think, but for what I'm doing with this look, I think it reads. Maybe. Okay. It's so easy to second guess yourself. What are you gonna do? I'm just gonna flow with it. That's what I'm gonna go ahead and do, because that's all you can do. Okay. Now you could also do the same thing with the leaves. I decided to leave them just the way they are. I did try a few things and didn't like it. I was like, nope, wipe away and just leave it the way it is. And I'm happy with that decision. And you, with this, just, you're wanting to play, guys. You don't want to overthink it. I'm putting darker shades in the middle, lighter shades toward the outside to give the idea of light and shadows, right? So the shadows would be more on the inside and the brightness would be more where the light is hitting it on the outside of the petals. So that's what my thinking was with this. That's really all. I think I started off a little bit incorrectly with that, but you know, that's okay. Mistakes are what makes life interesting. That's how you grow, right? You're just gonna make mistakes. If you never made any mistakes, how would you grow? You'd already wouldn't need to grow, would you? So then we'd be gods. Maybe one day, guys. Maybe one day. Not today. Not today. All right, guys, it's time for some top coat. See, look how the glitter just dances. I really love that. I think it's so pretty. I really, really like it. So let me know what you got planned for the weekend. And if you're still here, you know you're a rock star. Hit me up with a rock star in the comment section below. Oh, I should have said an emoji. The emoji of your choice, maybe with a rock star. How about that? Oh my goodness, guys, I'm so excited because I'm about to go see my grandson. First, got to pay my rent. Then I'm going to go see my grandson and my daughter and spend the day over there. I'm holding this upside down because this look is a little bit lumpy bumpy. Not a lot, but a little. And this is the finished set. Guys, I really like them. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. You could even probably use this for a Valentine's Day set, but that's not what we're going to call it. Thanks a lot for watching, you guys. Have a wonderful weekend. We are going to see you on Monday for something new. Until then, bye-bye.